Major corporations and small businesses alike have been implementing more remote working opportunities. People like the management guru Peter Drucker have been claiming that commuting to office work is obsolete, and he said that in 1989. When attempting to manage your remote workers' performance, keep the following in mind: open communication, trust, constructive and positive feedback, clear deadlines, motivational management, and inspired goals. Trust is critical for productivity, especially among remote workers. Micromanagement can be decreasing this productivity and cause irreparable damage to team morale. Allowing your remote workers to creatively work on their own time from the comfort of their own homes has been proven to promote healthier and happy employees, resulting in higher productivity for your company. The modern non-traditional workers are trained to work independently and remotely while remaining connected to the team. With the importance of open communication comes positive and constructive ways to share feedback. There is always a way to best convey your message without being hurtful or negative. As a manager, you should think before you speak and be considerate to employees' hard work and ethics. Be a source of encouragement and support for your team members. How you express your criticism or complaints or compliments is imperative and can set the mood or tone of the entire team unit. It is fine to share what can be implemented differently or in a more efficient way, but be kind with your words. Harshly judging an employee's work can have negative effects on future performance and productivity. I suggest sharing 2 positive praises and/or compliments for every single negative feedback given to maintain morale and positive working relationships. Constructive criticism is necessary, but be very mindful of how you provide your feedback. As a manager, your words are held to higher standards and should be considered carefully before sharing with an employee. Providing clear deadlines and honest expectations will help manage any project and team performance. Set inspired goals to motivate all employees to produce the best results possible. A key element of performance management for remote and in-office employees is establishing optimal objectives and achievable goals. The remote workforce is essential to the future of most of our workplaces. Whether you manage a small business or a massive corporation, management tactics are the same. Do not micromanage, trust your employees, support and provide assistance when needed, and maintain open communication in relation to goals, deadlines, feedback, and expectations. Results from independent survey for some 500 HR executives, which was commissioned by BetterWorks, an online performance management platform, included the fact that some 99% of HR executives say they're committed to revamp some or all of their performance management processes. I've seen firsthand myself what managers can do to improve employees' performance, and I have witnessed management sabotage as well. Entrust your team to do the work you have trained them to do with the skills you hire them for. Performance management for remote workers starts and ends with trust and open communication. Everything else in between will depend on the remote workers' productivity and skill set.